Money and time, the two big reasons you're not getting the results you want, right? Well, what if I could show you how to overcome these common hurdles, excuses or frustrations, call them whatever you like. They are the two most common things I hear when people explain why they aren't where they want to be in life. So stick with me. This could be the most important video training I've ever done. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. And in this video we're going to talk about the money and time truth, because if not now, when will you start taking control of your time and money and start chasing your online dreams? Right off the bat, let's get the truth out there, the money truth. You can start building an online business with as little as $20 per week. And the time truth, you do have enough time. You just need to use it differently. So how can you use your time differently? Well, think of it this way. Would you prefer to find an extra hour or two a week now learning how to make money online, or have to spend an extra decade working for someone else because you don't have enough to retire? Every hour you spend working on your online business will eventually net you gains which far outweigh your time investment. If not now, then when? Here are a few ideas on how to use your time a little differently to learn about online business and making money online. First, turn your commute into a college. The other day I was listening to a podcast and they mentioned the idea of turning your car into a college. I thought this was a great way to think of it, turning the hours spent commuting into valuable lesson time, either listening to online marketing podcasts, shows or books. There are so many choices available, you won't be short of options. Second is maximise your morning routine. Audiobooks are the perfect way to bring learning into your morning routine without having to actually find any extra time. Listen while you get ready in the bathroom, make coffee and eat your breakfast. Listening to online marketing or business tips early in the morning is also an empowering way to start the day. If you make it a part of your morning ritual, something you should have if you don't already, you set yourself up for a great day, one full of forward momentum. And third, cut one TV show out. Now, if you've got time to watch any TV during the day, you've got time to learn about building your online business. And I'll be blunt, watching too much TV is a waste of your life and one of our ultimate time and wealth stealers. If you cut TV watching by 1 hour, 5 times a week, and focused on learning about or doing your online business instead, that's 5 hours a week. Do that every week for a year and you'll rack up 260 hours of time spent becoming an empowered, capable and educated online money maker. And trust me, that's more than enough to make a massive difference to the growth of your online business. And fourth, schedule non-negotiable time in your calendar. Schedule a non-negotiable date with your online business once a week, whether it's 20 minutes, 30 minutes or an hour, to focus on your business progress. If your schedule is really as jam-packed as you say it is, this will mean cutting any fat from it to make time for what counts, your business growth and financial freedom. Take a real look at how you spend your time each week. What activities add no real value to your life? What are your busy but unimportant activities? Just get rid of them and you'll thank me later. Now, let's look at the truth about having the money. A lot of people I talk with don't think they can get started with an online business until they have $5,000 or $10,000 to start. This simply isn't true, and one of the big lies people believe about online marketing. To get started with an online business, especially an affiliate marketing one, which I highly recommend, you just have to take that initial step and do something. Experience will never come if you keep watching YouTube videos about how to make money online while telling yourself it'll be the first thing you do when, I've got the money. Well, can you spare $20 a week or $50 or maybe even a few $100s a week? With that money, you can start building your email list, start creating content and sharing it on your Facebook profile for free, and start building your tech requirements. For me, there are 3 tools you must have, and I've spoken in depth about them in the video you can check out by clicking up there. They include your email autoresponder, a page builder, and a link builder. And I'll leave the links in the description that you can use to get free trials to each of the ones I use. Now, that doesn't sound like doing that much, but it's a whole lot more than nothing, right? If not now, then when? One of the best ways to prioritize putting aside money for your online business, even if it's only a small amount to start with, is including an online business fund in your weekly or monthly budget or spending plan. Now, this might seem obvious, but so many people fail to plan for their online business. Instead, they tell themselves they don't have any money for it because there's never any left at the end of the week or month. Well, no shit, Sherlock. If you don't plan for it, you'll find something else to spend your money on. It's human nature, unfortunately. So here's a few ways you can find extra cash for your online business. Cancel a subscription like Netflix or Foxtel, or maybe you have 3 music subscriptions when one is more than enough. Cut out 2 takeaway coffees, that's $10, and 2 takeaway lunches or dinners a week, that's another $30. Use your car less and walk or catch public transport more. Go for a lower cost gym membership. Get your Gumtree on, or Craigslist, and sell a bunch of stuff that's collecting dust in the garage. You want to buy a new $50 pair of shoes? Put the $50 cash aside and wait 7 days. Then decide if you really want the shoes, or would investing it in your online business be a better choice. And here's a tip. Investing it in your online business is the better choice. Quit smoking. It's not just your health, the health of your bank account that will improve. Quit smoking. In the early stages of your online business journey, it's not how much you invest that's important. What really matters is getting into the habit of putting time and money towards your business every day or week. It may start out at $100 a month and steadily increase. It's not the amount that matters, it's the action you take. What will you do this week to find either more time or more money, or both, to begin changing your financial destiny and start growing your online business? Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and gave you some tips on how to overcome the time and money excuses so you can actually start to grow an online business. If you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing and you want to know the basics of what's required to get set up the right way, I'm giving away access to a free training course called an Affiliate Bootcamp that you can access by clicking the link in the description. And let's get you set up and started with affiliate marketing the right way and earning an income in the next 30 days. And if you're really serious and you'll pay attention because you want to make this a full-time income, then join my Inner Circle program where you can get some personal support to get you established quickly and on your way to the laptop lifestyle that you dream about. Thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget to get access to the affiliate marketing training courses to get you started. Click the links in the description and let's build your business in the next 30 days. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget to get started with affiliate marketing, click the links in the description and let's get you earning an online income in the next 30 days.